The story, a trip to the city. My name is Ben. Last weekend, I went on a trip to the city with my family. We used different types of transport to get there. First, we took the bus from our house to the train station. The bus ride was short, and I liked looking out the window. When we arrived at the station, we bought tickets for the train. The train was fast, and it was fun to see the countryside go by. When we got to the city, we decided to take a taxi to the museum. My dad asked the taxi driver, "Can you take us to the city museum, please?" The taxi driver said, "Of course," and drove us there quickly. At the museum, we saw many interesting things. After the museum, we wanted to visit the park. We didn't know how to get there, so my mom asked a man on the street, "Excuse me, can you tell us how to get to the park?" The man smiled and said, "Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The park is on your right." We thanked him and followed his directions. The park was beautiful, with lots of trees and flowers. We had a picnic there and played on the swings. After a fun day, it was time to go home. We took the train back to our town and then rode the bus home. I had a great time on our trip. I liked using different types of transport and visiting new places.